Halo guys, selamat datang di channel Dok RHZ, Dok Reza Game. Hari ini kita mau pakai, bukan deck ini. Ini deck Fizz TF biasa, tapi ini adalah deck Fizz Targon. Nah, jadi tujuan dari game win condition dari ini adalah menggunakan Fizz yang udah di buff sedemikian rupa, dibantu sama nyicil-nyicil sama Golden Narwhal atau Lunary Shadestalker. Tahu ya kalau misalkan dapat dari Solaris Priestess atau dari ya Species Catchers, unit-unit yang bisa ngasih damage buat nyicil dulu, itu juga bagus. Terus fungsi dari Warning Shot ini adalah ini benar-benar disimpan cuman buat menghindari face dari spell-spell yang bakal ngerugiin kita, karena kan kalau buff di satu unit itu bakal ngebuat musuh juga mau remove itu kan, kayak misalkan recall atau lain-lainnya. Dan Species Catcher sini juga bisa ngasih buff yang bagus ya, ngasih spell shield yang plus 2 darah dan spell shield. Gift Giver ini buat blocker saja sih sebenarnya, sama ngasih gem. Terus Guiding Touch buat ngedraw dan ya ngeheal sedikit lah ya, lumayan. Mountain Goat juga sama ngasih gem buat mempercepat Fizz-nya level up. Tapi sebenarnya Fizz level up juga jarang, biasanya Fizz level up-nya di akhir banget sih gitu, dan nggak kepake juga jadi shark-nya gitu. Terus spell cascade ini juga buat ngedraw sama ya kadang ngebantu trick juga nih, combat trick +1/+1. Pick a card ini dipakai kalau misalkan kita bener-bener butuh Fizz, jadi nggak ada Fizz dan nggak ada, atau bisa juga dipakai sebagai kalau nggak ada Warning Shot, jadi lumayan 2 damage, karena kalau Gems kan nggak bisa dipakai buat ini ya, Gems nggak bisa dipakai buat ngeaktivasi skillnya Fizz. Terus Hush ini juga bisa dipakai pick card buat nyari Fizz. Kalau misalkan kita dapat yang nggak kita mau, kita bisa discard lewat Species Catchers atau dimasukin lagi sama pick card yang lain gitu, si fleetingnya. Hush ini juga sebenarnya satu tuh karena tujuan kita kan pakai elusif gitu ya, jadi kita nggak perlu ngebunuhin musuh, yang penting kita bisa bertahan sampai kita duluan yang ngebunuh musuh. Make it rain ini untuk mencegah aggro di awal, karena aggro cukup lumayan susah di sini karena kita nggak punya blocker bagus, paling cuma Mountain Goat doang, atau kalau misalkan kita dapat unit dari Species Catchers ya lumayan. Mentor of the Stones ini benar-benar bisa nge-grant Fizz kita +2/+2. Terus kalau misalkan dia mati bisa create gems in hand. Dan salah satu trik yang bisa dipakai di sini adalah kalau misalkan kita punya 2 Fizz, nanti kan dia bakal ada playful trickster, dan abis kita nyerang, kita otomatis musuh kan bakal ngedefend pakai Mentor of the Stones ya kan. Nah terus nanti kita pakai itu playful tricksternya ke Mentor of the Stones, habis itu rally kita buff lagi Fizz-nya dengan ini. Dan kalau misalkan mati ya kita dapat 3 gems, terus nanti dia bakal mempercepat spells Fizz level up. Pocket Aces juga lumayan bagus kalau dengan pick a card, bisa ngedraw atau sama salvage juga. Terus nanti dia bakal berkurang 1 round, dan damage ini juga sangat terpakai buat ngedamage musuh. Ini kita buat nyari utamanya spell-spell control kayak yang Meteor, Volley Meteor 4 damage dan 1 damage ke 2 unit, atau ya bisa buat bertahan dengan lifesteal-nya, tergantung musuhnya. Kalau misalkan musuhnya lebih ke aggro agak semi kuat gitu ya, mungkin kita bisa pakai Falling Comet. Kalau misalkan musuhnya juga besar-besar gitu, kita bisa pakai lifesteal. Zenith Blade ini lumayan juga buat ngebuff, nambahin overwhelm. Sebenarnya nggak terlalu ini sih, cuman kalau misalkan dia punya unit elusif yang bisa dipakai buat ngeblok phase kita, overwhelm ini juga bisa bermanfaat gitu, biar damage kita nggak terlalu dikurangi lah sama blocker itu. Salvage juga sama fungsinya buat ngedraw, dan dia juga burst, jadi bisa dipakai buat ngehindarin damage. Jadi gitu Fizz Targon. Mudah-mudahan suka dengan decknya, lumayan seru sih. Ini benar-benar harus mikir dan suatu hal yang fresh juga, karena nggak Fizz TF ya. Tapi emang win condition kita sangat terbatas sih dengan Fizz TF. Jadi selamat menonton, semoga suka. Sampai jumpa di review deck selanjutnya. Dadah. Tarahu. Yeah. Bunyi. Tok. Oke. Miss Fortune Gangplank. You're going to search for this, and we don't use this because it's only for
everything's in place.
what spell can he use? Nothing, right? This is good against Miss Fortune.
Just need a second. Devotion through battle.
Q on trade. Of course.
For the Empire. For the glory of Noxus.
Okay, we can trick them with this. Or if he use Miss Fortune, I'm going to use. Nice one. I think this is better, because if he bring this, it will immediately die, but otherwise he's fine. He's totally fine. Transfusion. Alright. Yeah, that's fine.
This'll shake him.
This is my first spell.
They'll never see it coming. Back, heretic. The journey is difficult. These will protect you.
Dead men tell my tale.
Okay. We can easily kill that powder keg.
Be brave.
warning shot. I think that's the plan. I'm hoping to take Fizz next round. No, right.
Their bones are splintered.
Should I heal the next?
Protector, shield me. This is not the way. Protect Odie Empire.
Overwhelmed.
And
Yeah,
here's
this.
my constellation.
Next round will be scary. Okay. We can still heal, but we cannot use pocket assist. Maybe he can use his rain 3 target damage 1 rain. I forgot the name. Okay, he's full of defender. He's going to plunder next round. Where's the Fizz?
These jewels are more than mere trinkets.
We can kill him with
Fuse is lit.
no. Okay. 5. Another one.
A little luck for those who need it.
This is the moment of truth. If I cannot kill him this round, I'm definitely dying. Okay. Decimate.
Bilgewater is mine and mine alone.
I can surprise him with this Gented Pocket Ace. Yeah, that's
These
definitely
gems
the
grant
plan.
a wearer harmony.
Cool. But what if he didn't defense? I really want to draw face. another one.
These were from the protector himself.
2. They're gonna have to warning shot. Wait a minute. 1 damage. Okay.
Run while you can. Barrel.
Make it rain.
I'll show 'em pain. Off with ye.
Okay. Our win condition is not.
You spurn my gift?
Nah. Our face didn't come until the end of the day. That's why we really need to make it come up. We're facing Braum and Talia. Is he gonna... I never seen this. You want to duplicate Braum? Okay, so it's not an aggro, so we don't need to make it rain. Well, he can take this narwhal anyway, so yeah. I want to save my mana so I can use pick a card more frequently, and if I don't get what I want, I can discard that fleeting card using the species catchers. Yes, nice.
Nothing escapes my
Okay, that's what
watch.
I need, and maybe we can use the narwhal first or species catcher. I think species catcher. We can find, yeah, this thing.
And here's where I paint my constellation.
Yeah, that's not a problem. Okay. We need to attack.
Interesting
Ooh.
reaction. I'll make a note.
Speak, stars. Speak, I say. Celestial power.
Don't touch that!
Cracked.
Is it me? Oh, you're interesting.
We can still block him.
Is it the mustache?
Brown.
Who knows?
We have to efficient in our mana because we already get advantage now. 2, 3, 4. Nice. We still to save our mana, right? What is the... He can... He can use send... Quick send, right? Let's see. You need to drop their mana until less than 5. And Revolt Earth, nice. Okay, so we are definitely attacking now. There is no 2 mana that we can hide. No 2 mana that I can evade. Okay, we take all of the damage, nice. Okay, we have elusive. He cannot.
What will you have?
Okay.
A mug of your warmest milk, my friend.
Yeah.
Daylight warms the heart and lights the way.
And let's take this outside.
Our behavior.
First we fight. Good luck. Have fun. I'll fight another day.
Opponent has surrendered. Yeah, of course. Got him! Okay, that's the second round. Because we got the face. Yeah, that's our really winning condition. Okay, this is nice because Lux cannot hit my face. We go full mulligan. Hoping that we can find face.
The journey is
Yeah.
difficult. These will protect you.
We can use pick a card next round.
Remember my words.
And we place this pocket axis to the deck. Sure. Okay. Nice. We get the face. We can protect him with Pale Cascade. Oh. Okay. Sure.
Oh, come on.
This moon glow is really nice for us.
Accidental art. These gems grant
Okay,
awareness.
go Fizz! Attack, boy. We definitely have a blocker for him, so we don't afraid. We still have Bell Cascade and Warning Shot to elusively block their...
All the world
Oh.
on one arrow.
Okay. Hmm. Not going to defend. I'll just pass.
Show me a target. Oh, you're interesting. Spilled. Be brave.
Looking into the future, I see purple.
Knocked and ready.
Okay, nice.
Celestial power.
But this Ash is a bit annoying though. Feel... Really? He doesn't block it? Avalanche? No, definitely no. Avalanche. This is the play. We can play full Trickster on the Mentors of the Stones. Yeah, whatever.
Arrows at the ready.
You can use this, right? I'll take that 8 damage. I can still Warning Shot and I have Spell Shield. 12 damage is not a problem for us. Okay. Rally? Double single combat. Okay. Let's pretend that I don't have anything to protect my face. Double single combat. Sure. Noise. Triple single combat? No. Okay. So this is the plan. Okay. We definitely use this on my face. And he get the elusive, and then we support him into a 10 damage. Why you do that now?
My aim is true.
Why? 3, but we cannot end it now.
No?
You're boring.
I cannot use Charm and Trickster. That's really sad.
You're gonna need a bigger boat. Feeding time.
Why? Why he use on me? Right? That's a perfect mistakes. Why? I don't get it.
Teeth big as
Here.
tombstones.
3. We can still use double pocket aces.
Swiftly now.
You will be scoured from this land!
Look out there!
Oh, so brave.
Leaping into action.
It's gonna be, yeah. I know that. Let's see. You want to take that? What if we still have no problem? Single combat is not a problem. Oh, we can do this.
You'll be sorry.
Okay. Are you going to surrender now?
Save the homestead.
Ever. Ooh, scout. What a big
Go, floaty crystals.
fizz. 15, 10 fizz. Surrendered, alright. That's the third game. Okay, 0 Hecarim. That's a mid-range control deck. We got this in the first. Okay, this is supposed to be good. We already have this.
The journey
We
is
can
difficult.
defend
I
it
need to
with
protect you.
Giver.
Let me at 'em.
Let me at them. Alright.
Be brave.
It's not going to defend, right?
These gems grant a wearer harmony.
So sad. We draw pocket aces a bit too early. Wow. That's a nice combo.
Men die, but Sharima lives forever.
Meteor shower definitely.
Sunlight guide you, my brethren. This is not the way.
Hmm.
Be brave.
Glorious sacrifice.
But after that, I don't have. Hmm. This is awkward. Awkward.
A little luck for those who need it.
I can use Vile Beast.
Shariman, see what I see. Carry it with you.
Hmm.
Emperor, I am honored.
I think I'm gonna pass. Okay. Get the second phase. Hmm.
Behold the rewards of your service.
Nice, we get Isaac. That's definitely what I want.
Sand and blood. Arise, Sharima, sand and sky, past and present. The order is given.
You spurn my gift? This is not the way. Have faith.
Hmm. I really want to. Do that deck actually have a Vile Feast? I really need to take that risk. Another feast? Hmm. It can vengeance me. You take that. Are we lose now? Alright. I shouldn't use that pocket aces.
No fear.
Ah.
Glorious sacrifice.
Alright. So the score is 2-2. Fiora Shen. That's a bit annoying.
I am one with the land.
Hmm.
And here's where I meet my constellation. Intruders! Hold still!
Nah.
I've got your back! Nature blesses her followers!
Rivers shape the land and give it life.
Okay, skate, right? Should we? And then tell Cascade? Yeah, I think that's the plan.
Fine and wisp. Steady my hand! Can I paint you?
What form will the waters take? Waters are still.
Really? This?
Mystical levitation requires concentration.
I don't think he also have a Fiora. Okay,
I long for a
you have it.
opponent.
Have it. I'm going to protect this. Single combat. I don't have 5 damage. 4 damage. Why?
This will be quick. Honor guide me. My shield is yours.
What? We're going to try our best. Ah! We don't even get a luck.
This will be quick.
Finally, Fizz.
The fate of mortals and spirits falls to me. I find them unworthy.
My steel is yours.
En garde.
One. I don't know whether I can kill him. Ooh. Nice. Aduh. Ooh. Let's try our best. Really? Four. I need more. I need more defender.
These are more than your trinkets.
Dang it. I don't have blockers.
It's an imbalance.
Try me. You spurn my gift?
Okay, we lose. Lose.
Too easy. Press on.
I think PCF is more reliable on ranked match.